Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is Monday of a new month, and today is our compass day where we get to lay out the exciting topic that we have for you this week. So without further ado, I'm sending it over to Victoria to get us started. Victoria?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to a new week, a new month. It's actually almost spring here for at least 2 days, so I'm just excited about everything today. So here's where I want to take you. For today's compass, we're going to start looking at the big parts of story. We've looked at specific characters. Kathleen has totally mapped out the character trait situation for us. We've looked at some ways of moving a story along, ways of moving a scene along, but I want to look at those big chunks. Some people call it the beginning, the middle, and the end. If you're looking at a 3-act structure, there's a million of those. We're not going to get into that. What we are going to get into is where I like to start thinking about a new story. Or if I'm in a state of stuckness, I can start mulling this over in my mind, and it helps me identify what the key nugget of the story is, and often that'll help get me back on track. The thing that I'm referring to is what I like to call the offering. So I'm not going to tell you what it is because I'm saving that for tomorrow, but suffice it to say, over the next few weeks, we're going to break down the key big parts of story and how you can start thinking about driving that story forward. So I won't say any more. I will throw it over to Kathleen.
Oh, thank you, Victoria. And once again, we dovetail amazingly because I'm going to be talking about the voice of the struggle. And the interesting thing about the struggle, when the struggle is the dominant voice, that means your character trait is in the rudder position. And what does it mean when it's in the rudder position? It means that the characters of your story are making the decisions that are going to move your story along. And guess what that means? That means you are at the major inflection points of your story, which ties right back to what Victoria is talking about in her work. So I won't spoil it either. You'll have to come back tomorrow for the map to find out how the character traits meld with the decision points in the story. See you tomorrow. Anything to add, Victoria?
Can't wait to get started.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.